The stock market is shifting into some new territory in the wake of a Trump-elect administration. Tuesday night, you did see a sharp dip, but after early losses, both the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq did rebound and finished up for the day, as you can see here. Advisors say you could see some changes over the next few days based on the uncertainty surrounding a Trump administration. Local financial advisor Adam Koos said your best bet is to sit tight and resist making changes with your 401k, for example, over the next few days. He does say after the dust settles, Trump's position and plans for the nation may guide your investing.
When you're looking at your 401k, for instance, some things you probably want to avoid right now are things like green energy stocks. I mean, things like solar power, wind power, they're already feeling it today.
He also explains the volatility you saw overnight. We have details on that coming up for you at 6 o'clock.
From Central Ohio's news leader, this is 10 TV News at 6.
Ahead tonight, some brief chaos on Wall Street today.
Last night at about 3 in the morning, a nuclear bomb went off, and now we just kind of have to wait for the dust to settle so we can actually see what's going on.
The one thing financial advisors say you should not do tonight. Well, you've seen a lot of ups and downs on Wall Street on the heels of our country's historic election last night. There was a massive dip on the stock market as results started to show Donald Trump would win the presidency. And then this morning, the market started to rise.
Along with all the volatility, you may be worrying about your retirement or your investments. So Laura Borchers spoke with financial planners to get some answers for you.
The market had already priced in a Hillary victory. So I think when you look at the market up big on Monday, up big on Tuesday, I think it expected that Hillary was going to win. So we're just going to have more of the same for the next 4 years that we've seen the last 8 years. But now we've got this. What's going to happen? I don't know, with this uncertainty.
And financial advisor Adam Koos says if there's one thing Wall Street doesn't like, it's uncertainty.
You saw the massive dip Tuesday night as results began coming in and states not anticipated to turn red gave their nod to Donald Trump. Investors around the world began selling. But as the U.S. markets open today, we see resiliency.
Last night at about 3 in the morning, a nuclear bomb went off, and now we just kind of have to wait for the dust to settle so we can actually see what's going on.
Koos warns the market is expected to swing wildly over the next few days. With no word on exactly which policies Trump will roll out first, some analysts recommend you sit tight with your investments.
Don't stop putting money in the plan, because that's the only thing you can control. You can't control what the market does, you can't control who our president is, and you can't control the economy. But you can control what you put away every single paycheck. So don't stop doing that.
Bottom line, voters chose to change up the White House, but advisors like Adam Koos warn don't do the same with your 401k. Laura Borchers, 10 TV News.
He also recommended steering clear of health care and insurance stocks for the time being because of questions surrounding the future of Obamacare. He also said the deregulation Trump has supported could fare well for industries including pharmaceutical companies.